Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here. Let's talk about a small gland with a huge responsibility, your thyroid. This butterfly-shaped powerhouse in your neck might be tiny, but it controls your metabolism, energy levels, and even your mood. It's like the conductor of your body's orchestra, making sure everything runs smoothly. But what happens when the conductor gets tired? Just like any other part of your body, your thyroid needs specific nutrients to function correctly. One of its VIP nutrients is selenium. Without enough selenium, your thyroid can't produce the hormones your body needs. This can lead to a condition called hypothyroidism, which slows down your metabolism and can cause a whole bunch of not-so-fun symptoms. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the world of selenium and its impact on your thyroid health. So, what exactly is selenium? Don't worry, I'm not going to throw complex chemical formulas at you. In simple terms, selenium is a trace mineral, meaning your body only needs a tiny amount of it. But don't let that fool you. This little mineral is mighty. Think of selenium as the trusty sidekick to your thyroid. It helps convert thyroid hormone T4 into its active form, T3. Why is this important? Well, T3 is like the key that unlocks your cells to use energy, regulate temperature, and keep your metabolism humming along. Selenium also acts as a bodyguard for your thyroid, protecting it from damage caused by harmful molecules called free radicals. These troublemakers can wreak havoc on your cells, but selenium swoops in to neutralize them, keeping your thyroid healthy and strong. In the next section, we'll explore what happens when you don't get enough of this essential mineral. Stay tuned. Remember how we talked about your thyroid being like the conductor of your body's orchestra? Well, when you're low on selenium, it's like the conductor is trying to lead with a broken baton. Things just don't flow as smoothly as they should. Selenium deficiency can throw your thyroid hormones out of whack, leading to hypothyroidism. This can manifest in a variety of ways, from feeling constantly tired and sluggish to experiencing unexplained weight gain. Other common symptoms include hair loss, dry skin, feeling cold all the time, constipation, muscle weakness, and even depression. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, don't panic. It doesn't necessarily mean you have a selenium deficiency. Many other conditions can cause similar symptoms, so it's crucial to talk to your doctor to get a proper diagnosis. Section 4. Fueling up selenium-rich foods for a happy thyroid. The good news is that getting enough selenium in your diet is easier than you might think. Many delicious and readily available foods are packed with this essential mineral. Here are a few examples. Brazil nuts. Just 1 or 2 Brazil nuts a day can provide your daily dose of selenium. Talk about a convenient and tasty snack. Seafood like tuna, halibut, sardines, and shrimp are all excellent sources of selenium. Meat and poultry, including beef, chicken, and turkey, can also contribute to your selenium intake. Eggs are another great source of protein and selenium. Beans and lentils are plant-based sources of selenium that are also high in fiber. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help ensure you're getting enough selenium to support your thyroid health. Remember, a balanced diet is key. Section 5. Keeping your selenium levels in check. Now that you know how important selenium is for your thyroid, you might be wondering how to make sure you're getting enough. While a healthy diet is usually sufficient, there are a few things to keep in mind. Talk to your doctor. Before making any significant changes to your diet or taking supplements, it's always best to consult with your doctor. They can assess your individual needs and advise you accordingly. Consider a blood test. If you're concerned about your selenium levels, your doctor can order a simple blood test to check them. Don't overdo it. While selenium is essential, too much of it can be harmful. Stick to the recommended daily intake and avoid excessive supplementation. Remember, maintaining adequate selenium levels is crucial for overall health, not just your thyroid. By making informed choices about your diet and lifestyle, you can support your body's natural ability to thrive. Section 6. Your health, your doctor, and My Home Doc Telehealth. We've covered a lot about selenium and its impact on your thyroid, but remember, this information is for educational purposes only and shouldn't be considered medical advice. If you have any concerns about your thyroid health or selenium levels, please reach out to your primary care doctor. They are your best resource for personalized guidance and treatment. Don't have a primary care doctor or struggling to get an appointment? That's where My Home Doc Telehealth comes in. We offer convenient and affordable virtual consultations with board-certified doctors who can address your health concerns from the comfort of your own home. And there you have it, everything you need to know about selenium and your thyroid. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more informative content on all things health. Until next time, stay healthy and informed. And